Good morning. Come join us in having a breakfast with this cozy, very, very nice restaurant. Come join us all the way at the back. And this is the kitchen.
Goedemorgen. Nou, dit is een unieke
It's
ervaring.
all covered at the
leuk.
back. It's very, very beautiful weather today. So have that, enjoy that. And now let's order. This is the coffee that my husband ordered. And I have the chai latte. Now taste test.
Dat is niet, hè?
Coffee. And I chose bagel with salmon. This is very, very big. And look at that bite. Yummy. Very filling. And that's it. Bye.